Just so you guys know, I use this mug every single day. It's my favorite one. All right, let's get started. April was a crazy month. It was my first month of investing. I learned as much as I could. Still learning, but it was pretty crazy, and I'm gonna share with you guys exactly what happened. First, let's get started with the bad. Wells Fargo. I first bought it at average cost of $27.56. I have 4 shares and liquidity of $110. So when I first bought it, again, it was at $27.56. I bought it a week ago. I thought I knew it all. I was like, man, this is crazy. So my stocks are going up. This is a good stock. It's gonna go up back to the 1-year high of 45. Let me see, all the way up to $54 because it was going up. I saw the news. I thought the stock was crazy. My 4 shares are gonna turn into $56 each, and I'm an investor. I'm a beast. I know it all. But that wasn't the case. The stock market smacked me right in the face. So again, a week ago, I've had this stock since, let me see, my transaction of April 20th. Yeah, since April 20th, I've had the Wells Fargo stock. Like I said, I bought 4, and then on April 27th, it started. Let me see. Go back here. So I bought it April 20th, and then let's just say I bought it a week ago, April 27th. It started to go up. It hit $29.70. I got excited. It went down, but I was like, no, it's gonna go up because the market is going up. And on April 29th, it hit an all-time high of, let me get it right there, $30.32. So my $27 investment turned into, I want to say, close to $3 each. So I've made 11 bucks. And I thought I made it. I thought I knew exactly everything about stocks. I was like, if I keep picking this type of stocks, plus the investment back is gonna be crazy. But today is May 1st, and Wells Fargo opened up at, let me see, opened up at 9:30, opened up at $28.19. And as of the recording of this video, this market is, it's 12:18 p.m. and Wells Fargo is $27.54. So I'm actually negative 10 cents in my investment of 4 shares with Wells Fargo. And that's not it. Like, there's more to it. Let me get into the public app. And here we go. ExxonMobil, same deal. About a week ago, let me see, I was up, if you guys remember my last video, I was up like close to $1.39. And let me see, on April 27th, again, same thing. It went up all the way to $47.57. And I was like, man, I've invested 50 bucks. I'm up. I was up like $4. And again, same deal. Today I open up the app, and my $4 profit turns down to 48 cents. The market slapped me again. So am I discouraged? Not really. This stuff happens all the time, and it's nothing to be discouraged about. Like I said, this is, learning curve. I'm learning. I'm just trying to figure out exactly the route that I want to go to. I'm pretty happy with the stocks. If I was to sell at the moment that Wells Fargo was up and that ExxonMobil was up, I would have made probably like $14, $15, $16. But that's not what I'm in it for. I'm not a day trader. I tried doing day trading and it didn't work. Like, my nerves, I can't handle it. I'm more of a, what I've noticed is I'm more of a invest and leave it alone, don't touch it, and we can come back to it maybe once or twice a day max. But I don't have the capacity. Like, I can't take it. My nerves can't take day trading. And I am gonna keep investing into these companies. Like, I'm not gonna stop just because it went down. I'm pretty sure they're gonna go back up. The stock market, from what I've been reading, is going all over, up, down, side to side. It's going crazy. So I'm gonna keep investing into ExxonMobil and Wells Fargo. So it is May 1st, and so every month I was doing a $100 budget just to see how far I could grow my portfolio, because like I said in my previous videos, I'm comfortable with losing $100 a month if everything went down, which, I mean, is not gonna happen, or maybe it is, I don't know. but I'm comfortable with losing $100 a month, even if that was the case. But I will keep investing $100 a month. Now, I did cut my budget a little short because I invested more on. Let me show you. I went ahead and invested an extra $10 on ExxonMobil, and then I saw Beyond Meat, which is not a dividend stock, but I invested into Beyond Meat as well. I invested $50 into Beyond Meat, and that's already like $50 from my budget, and I invested it in April. I didn't even wait till May. So I only have, and then, like I said, so I added to ExxonMobil, and I bought into Beyond Meat. So I only have, let me see, $35 buying power for the rest of the month of May, which I am gonna stick to it. I'm not gonna go crazy. I'm not gonna be, speculating. I'm not gonna be trying out different things this month. I'm just gonna let it out and just see what stocks I look into for the month of June. So for the month of May, I'm gonna be investing into AT&T and CVS. The reasons why I'm gonna be investing into AT&T is very simple. I like the company and it has a high yield. Let me show you guys. So AT&T is currently sitting at $29.95, which is dropping. A month ago was $26, and I'm gonna be investing into it, just $15. All right, this is for the month of May, and I'm doing all this from the Public app. Company, pretty simple. This is one of the things that I like about Public, which is once you invest into something, you can put a comment as to why you invested into that company, or what are you seeing some trends. So like I said, I like the company. I can't think of anything right now while I'm doing the video, but that's what I'm doing for AT&T, and I have $20 left. Now those $20 I'm gonna be investing into CVS, and I'm gonna show you why I like CVS and why I think it's gonna be up this month. But I don't know, guys. I'm new to all this. All right, so let me look up CVS real quick. So CVS, and we're gonna hit buy. We're gonna be investing $20 into CVS, and that's it. The reason why I'm investing into CVS is exactly this, what I'm putting down: drones. So a couple days ago, I was reading the news on just different stocks, different things to look at for May, what I wanted to invest in, what company I would like. And one of the things that I really I stood out about CVS was this news right here. America's largest retirement community can soon receive their prescriptions from CVS via UPS drone delivery service. I don't know much about stocks, guys. I keep talking about it every video because I truly don't. I'm just listening and kind of reading the market and figuring things out. But I think the fact that CVS is going extremely outside of the comfort zone, from what I think. I don't know any company right now that's actually doing drone delivery, and for them to start doing this, I think it's gonna put them ahead of the pharmacy industry, whatever CVS is into. I think getting into the tech is gonna be huge, and that's the reason why I like CVS. I like companies that they get a little risky every once in a while, and I think this is a huge leap forward for them, and not even just for them, just for everything technology wise. I think maybe Amazon is probably gonna go into this route too, because if they can get it done, Amazon can for sure get it done. CVS, I like it as a dividend paying company. And that's another reason why I'm rooting for it. I think it's gonna do great. So as you can see here, my portfolio for May is as follows: ExxonMobil, Beyond Meat, CVS, AT&T. That's just on the Public app. And then on Robinhood, I have Wells Fargo, and I have Metro Preferred. The reason why I invested into Metro Preferred was because it was just a cheap stock, and I wanted to speculate a little, see if it could go up. But that's it. That's my portfolio for the month of May. Well, I'm gonna be following up with the news. I'm not gonna be going crazy. I'm not gonna invest more than 100 for this is it for May. That was my budget for investing and trying out different things for the month of May. And that's gonna be it. I'll be sharing with you guys what I find along the way. I'll be sharing with you guys different companies and different stocks that I think probably could go up, and I'll be watching different videos of different guys that they know what they're doing, because the more I learn, the more I can share. All right, guys, thank you so much for watching the video. Really appreciate you spending this time with me, and hit the thumbs up, hit the subscribe button, and watch the next video, or the next one, or the next one, or watch any of these videos above. All right, thank you guys so much.